Mr.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Got it.
Yes, I got it.
Fine. You cannot see it. Okay. So these are the basic features of SAP EHS. Okay. Can you see Mr. Yogesh?
Yes, 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 yes.
Murli, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
So today I'm going to brief only about the headings. Today we are going to see as a Podigai TV headlines only. Good evening news. Okay. So today we are seeing about the features of SAP. What is there in SAP EHS? Why we are using this? Okay. Any tool, as you told Mr. Yogesh, any SAP, there is a basic data tool is mandatory for all. It is like a program. Okay. So we have to give an input. Whenever you purchasing a computer, there will be a person with a CD to write the operating system, correct? Can you understand what I'm telling?
Yes, yes.
Yogesh, can you understand Tamil? No.
No, sir. No, no. Sorry, no.
No. One or two word, vanakkam, nandri, nothing. Huh?
Yes.
No problem. No problem. I know Nagpur only by cricket matches.
Yes,
Nagpur test match, Nagpur series.
yes, yes, yes.
Very famous.
Actually, my native town is Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, okay.
Yeah, I came only here to job.
Everywhere same. Tamil Nadu, my native place is center of Tamil Nadu, Chidambaram. I
I worked.
living in
Yes, sir. I worked 2 years in Warangal district.
Warangal also.
Telangana.
There,
Andhra.
Andhra,
Andhra,
Telangana.
Telangana, Warangal.
Super. So you know the diagrammatic of India very well, huh?
Tamil little bit I know. Telugu little bit I know. Because 2 years I spent 2 years in that area.
You spend 2
Super.
years, you know only little bit Telugu. Okay, no issues. Telugu is nice to speak actually.
Yes, sir.
Now Telugu movies are ruling India. Okay. So Telugu stars are becoming overnight stars suddenly. Fine, Yogesh. Can you see the clipping, correct?
Yes, yes.
So what I'm trying to tell here is the basic data and tool is the very important part in this SAP EHS tool. Not only for EHS, any functional role you are coming to know, this BD and T part is very important because in this area only we are giving the inputs to the system to understand. Okay. For example, baking soda is a chemical, correct?
Yeah.
Which is highly used for a bakery item. So you can add it as a cooking chemical or otherwise chemical. Somebody can add it as a mineral. So whatever you are giving, it will reflect while you are working. Understand?
Yeah.
This part is very important. Before giving something, you have to understand the core, or else you will be screwed. Understand? You have to understand about the material. They will train you. Don't bluff. Okay, so don't funk. They will tell you clearly. You have to apply your brain so quickly. Okay. So you can, in a training period, you can ask so many doubts to your colleagues. Then you cannot make much mistakes. Understand? This part is very critical in your job. If you travel to the space, you can understand a lot. Job is what? How the people getting experience, you know?
Through day by day their experience.
Yeah, they are doing different mistakes. Then only they
Yeah.
are getting experience. People who are doing same mistake means they cannot get any experience. Once, twice, thrice, people can tell you this is. Fourth time, if repeating the same mistake, they lose the patience. So, person who is learning means he can do different mistakes. Then learn it. Okay. Keep on doing mistake is not a criteria. If you are doing a mistake, then we have to learn it. Understand? So this part will give you a lot of lessons. R&D part of the SAP is this only. But too much of R&D cannot work out here. Understand?
Yeah.
You should understand what were the substance, what are the criteria, how to arrange it, how to save it. We are adding it as a dangerous goods or not. So everything it will be there. Understand? So this once we are using in a system, you can understand it very easily. Okay. But without this, you cannot understand the operations in the system. Okay. So basic data and tool is a first and foremost tool.
Just a sec.
It will take at least 3 classes to understand what I'm trying to tell. Okay. Basic data and tool is a very big part. Understand?
Yeah.
So this part is with basic as well as very essential part in this tool. First and foremost, people used to tell, correct? He is the first and foremost person in our company. Like that, in this SAP EHS, basic data and tool. We used to call it as a BD and T. Okay. As our code word.
BD and T.
BD and yes, BD and T.
Okay.
So they will tell like shortly BD and T. So I thought while joining there, I thought BD and T. Okay, they are going to tea shop and having one BD and T like that. Typical Tamil Nadu mindset. Suddenly
Yeah,
it
yeah.
flashed in my mind.
Uh,
Where they are going? Why sitting in a company they're talking, discussing about BD and tea? Huh? That too exactly in a lunchtime. So my mind straightly went to the nearby tea shop. But no, they're discussing about the subject only. So next is very important is product safety. This only our job. Basically in SAP EHS, normally in company two things will happen. One is purchase, another one is sales. Understand?
yeah.
Purchase is what will happen. We will procure some item,
Yeah.
then we will pay to the person who purchased it. Understand? So that is very important. Procure to pay.
What is
pay.
SAF, sir?
Sorry,
SAF. EHS SAF.
I will tell you. 1 second. First, I
Okay.
explain here,
Okay.
and I will tell you later. Procure to pay is what? Nothing but this is our SAP Just to understand, I made it like that. Procurement is nothing but a purchase,
Yeah.
and pay is you can understand you are making a payment. Okay, this will happen in SAP. Not only in SAP, any company it will happen. If you are a end user, you will purchase. If you are a manufacturer, you will sell it. Understand? For example, you are going to a shop, you are purchasing a pen means that is a simple purchase. You will pay the cash and he will give you the pen, you will come back. But in the terms of company, the way of purchase is very different. First, we have to take RFQ, request for quote, with 3 or 4 vendors. Then we have to select a vendor
Yeah.
and we have to determine a vendor. Not only price is matters, whether he will deliver a proper good at the proper time.
Vendor verification code. Yeah.
Yes. Vendor codes will be there, and we can analyze the vendor in various angles.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
example, a toner will cost around 200 or 2000, for example. But he will deliver from Chengalpattu to Chennai means the transport charge will attract every money. For example, in Chennai, in your nearby your company, a person is ready to give 1950. But the vendor from Chengalpattu is giving from 1800 means we will find, oh, why, super. But what happens? He will add a transport charge that will nullify this difference. Understand? So
Yeah.
this kind of small things we have to verify, and then on fine day, after the requirement is about to close, our company will decide to release a purchase order. Each and every week, they will ask us to ask one quote, ask one quote. Okay, vendors will be irritated. This fellow will ask only quote. He will never come back to us. At the situation, company will release a purchase order to a vendor. So that time our job starts. What is our job? Source determination, vendor selection, and all. There is no job for us. Okay. Once the order is processed, we will come to know what is the material coming in, how it is coming. They may order anything, chemical. Sometimes they will order a drug. Drug means medical drug.
Yeah.
Sometimes they may add anything that phosphorus kind of items too. So we have to check what is the item coming in. We have to ask them for MSDS. You know very well about MSDS, correct?
Material safety data sheet. Yeah.
Yeah. How many headings are there in MSDS?
14, sir.
16. Actually,
Sorry. Okay. Yeah. 16.
16 topics will be there.
Yeah.
From the manufacturer address to how to use, how to not use, what will be the remedy once it was inhaled, once it was swallowed, how to put off that item got fire, what is the flash point, everything will be there in MSDS. Okay.
Yeah.
So
What is the
there our
emergency
roles are.
response?
Yes. How to store it,
Yeah.
storage, what is the storage temperature, what is the ideal storage location,
Yeah.
and what kind of extinguisher we have to use, whether it is a missile
Exactly.
fire or normal fire extinguisher. So there our point started. Once order is processed, our thing will be starts. So we have to collect the MSDS. Once the material coming inside, we have to add into the system according to their client specification. Understand? So the P2P is interlinked with our activity. Understand? Company will purchase anything. Company will purchase a paint. Company will purchase thinner. Anything company can purchase. But at most our responsibility. Where it's stored, when it is stored safely or not, is our responsibility. Okay. So after that order processing, what will happen? That order will come to our place. Then we will check with the bill. We will put an inventory note. Okay, the material which I have ordered is received with that same price. So order date is that and the received date is this. So they will process it to the payment. Understand? So this cycle is called P2P, procure to pay. Understand?
Yeah.
This is a very important interview question. They will ask in which point DHS starts to act. So you have to tell two answers. One is P2P and another one is O2C, order to cash.
P2P.
But first, just I told is P2P, procurement to the payment. Next
Okay.
one is O2C. Next one is what? O2C. Okay.
Order
The
to
meeting got cash.
cash. Okay. Sir.
Okay. Order to cash means what? We are the seller or a dealer. For example, first procure to pay, you are buying from a shop. Now order to see means you are selling from the shop. You are the seller now.
Yeah.
So what will happen? You will receive an item. You will sell to the person. Understand?
Yeah.
A person or a company. You will send a quotation. First, you will receive a quote request. Then you will send a quotation. Then, if they approve, you will receive a purchase order or a sales order. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
They will release a PO. You can consider it as a sales order. Then you have to send the material. Here, the shipping itself, we have to be very careful. how to ship the item. I told you the trans P card is very important in SAP EHS. Transport emergency card. They used to tell trump card.
Trump
Okay.
card, yeah.
Yeah, trump card that we have to add. Some items cannot be shipped in airlines.
Yeah.
Example, ink pen also cannot be shipped in airlines. So your ball pen is filled with ink means it will not be useful. Some pressure items, some items cannot hold the pressure. It will not be carried in the aeroplane. Some item not available, not allowed to carry it via sea
Vehicles.
ways.
Yeah, yeah. See.
Yeah, sea ships, vessels, containers.
Yeah, yeah.
Some items cannot be carried in the roadways. It should be given so much of prevention and all.
Yeah.
Here in Tamil Nadu, there is a place called Tirunelveli.
Yeah.
From the Tirunelveli, there was the latest movie came in Tamil, Mookuthi Amman. In
Yeah,
that
yeah.
movie, they showed some place, Aran Oil, the place
Ah.
of windmills. So many windmills will be there.
Yeah, yeah.
In that place only various companies windmill are functioning. Vestas, German.
Even my
company,
company also there,
so
sir.
many.
Yeah.
Very good. Gamisa.
No, Mitra Energy. Mitra Energy.
Okay.
We are having.
Super. ME. So
Yeah,
many
why-
companies
yeah.
windmills are there.
Yeah, yeah. There are
So
more
many
than
companies.
13,000 turbines are there in the Tirunelveli city.
Yes. Yes. So that turbines will be travel from road. If you are in Chennai or in Visakhapatnam, we can see lot of the windmill blade carried from a big containers.
Yeah, yeah. Big, yeah. Containers.
The containers are more than 32-wheel containers.
Yeah.
That container will be carried via road, and that container will be given a separate escort by the logistics partner,
Exactly.
and they will carry a cone of that barricading cone, everything.
Yeah, yeah.
The container will take so much time to reach the place, but this is the only way to carry such a big blade. Okay,
Exactly.
it might not be carried in an aeroplane. It is even bigger than the plane size, correct?
Yeah.
So it cannot be carried in train. Goods
It will.
and all
It will
tracked.
come. Yeah. Actually, sir, we are also procuring blades from different countries. So it is
Yes, exactly.
ships only.
Ships,
Yeah.
exactly.
To the goodies ships. Yeah. Ships only. It will not come
Yes,
to airlines.
only ships.
Yeah.
So this kind of items, each and every item, there will be some certain criteria. So here where our job is starting, correct? While we are packing, no, how to pack, where to send. Here in that order to cash, we have to send MSDS to the buyer. We have to send every details to them. If they fail to do that, if we not send MSDS, it will be our responsibility.
Hmm.
So EHS will be starting from prepare to pay and order to cash. Both area our function will be there. So understand? Clear now? Okay.
Yeah.
Order to cash and procure to pay. Understand it? Okay. So EHSF SAF means nothing but safety. Okay. SAF means safety, short form.
Okay.
Product safety. Okay. Each and every company will give you the separate term. Like EHS. Some company will tell it as a SHE.
SHE. They will prefer safety
Yeah.
first, health second,
Yes.
and environmental third. Some companies like HES.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this combination permutation.
Yeah.
They will put this first and that one next, this one first. Same only.
Yeah.
So don't confuse much. Okay. So this product safety is, just I explained about the product safety. What about the data set? How to store it? If it is explode, what will happen? Okay. Suppose it is leak, means how to clear it. Spilling care, how to care the chemical.
Yeah,
The spill care set will be there. Such certain chemical does not need that. It will treat like a normal water. Certain
Yeah.
chemical will
More
erase the
hazardous.
floor itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. it will tear a floor itself.
Yeah.
So it will some corrosive chemicals will be
Corrosion,
there.
yeah, corrosion react
Yeah.
mechanism will be there.
So this is a second heading. After BD and T, this will be very easy. First BD and T, basic. What to give and what to not give. That you understand means this and all nothing. You can play it by a left hand. Okay. Third topic will be this one. HSM, Hazardous Substance Management. This will be about fully rules. SARA, South Asian and sorry, that US amendments. Okay. So ROHS will be there. Lot of rules are there, correct? Hello.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, we are hearing, sir.
Oh. Hazardous substance management is fully about rules, regulations,
Yeah. Otherwise,
how to handle OHS, EHS. In Tamil Nadu, if you are taking a lot of rules will be there. Bombay Lift Safety Act, Factory Act,
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu Labor Act,
Tamil
Mines
Nadu
Act,
Factories
so many
Act.
acts,
Yeah.
Hazardous Material Act, that
Yeah.
is compostable. So many acts are there.
Yeah.
So, according to the act, what we are going to follow, how to follow that. That's it. Next is dangerous goods management.
Sir,
Actually, it
slide is
is
showing a process safety only. It is not moving.
sorry.
I mean,
Yeah, it
we
will.
are in a product safety slide.
It is coming now. But,
It's not changed actually. Other one you have told us, but we are not able to see.
now itself.
No, sir. Now itself it is in second slide only. Product safety.
Same only there.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah. Now it is fine. Now it is hazardous substance.
Okay.
No.
Hazardous dangerous goods.
Go to third slide, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hazardous substance and dangerous goods are same. Okay. Both are same.
Okay.
DGM and HSM both are combinedly coming in a topic. Okay. Both are same now.
Why, sir?
Hazardous is
Kept it
yes,
separate.
yes. It is like a subtopic.
Which one? Dangerous goods.
Yes. It will
Okay.
coming as a subtopic. Okay.
Hmm.
It is like 2 in 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can do that. The duration will be finished in 1 minute. Okay. So try to reconnect. Okay.
Yeah.
Under 10 minutes we can see. Okay. So this is very important. WHS, waste management. Understand? Waste management you know very well. How to dispose. Now COVID, you can understand a lot about waste management.
Yeah.
How to dispose a mask, how to dispose a hand gloves. That and a lot of standard instructions are coming. So lot of